This video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral content for the TikTok rewards program, either for yourself or for a client on Fiverr using AI. As you know right now, TikTok is paying their creators $1 for every 1,000 views they get on TikTok. And how they get this particular amount of views is pretty easy right now using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to create some quiz videos for my clients on Fiverr. And in my previous video, I showed you how to do this manually using Canva. And if you have tried using that method, that's a free method actually. But this is actually a paid tool, a paid AI tool, which saved me hundreds of hours instead of doing the manually, the free method, which it's a bit pretty difficult doing that. But using this particular AI tool, you do this fast, and you can, there are other niche tools which I'm going to show you, which you can also target for different other audiences. But for now, I'm going to show you the tool I use. So if you're interested in that, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight to how I create these videos with AI. So the name of this particular tool we're going to be using is called vsub.io, and this is what I use to make me be able to create tons of quiz videos in less than 20 minutes. This is something that would have probably taken me a whole day to do. And so let me just go into my PC and show you exactly this particular software and how I used it. This is software vsub.io. I'm just going to be showing you the different niche of type of videos you can create with this software. You can see brain teaser. This is a new niche out there. If you have scrolled through TikTok, you would have seen some of these videos. And the fixed text niche, this is where you see like a conversation between two people, like a WhatsApp text message. Then AI videos, the quiz videos, then Reddit videos, split screen videos, stories, you can add caption, and would you rather videos. I've not seen any other AI tool that is more comprehensive as this. And to get access to this, you just need to pay $26 to have access to all of this. And all the videos that you are using, they are monetizable. You can use them and monetize these accounts on TikTok. So you can see some of the samples. This is Reddit story.
What's the most creepily intelligent thing your pet has ever done? 1.
This is Reddit story. This is fake text message.
Yo, what did you do to my girl? She says you're trying to hit on her.
I didn't do anything. I just said sorry about her cat.
Text message. This is
Video game franchise features a character named Mario.
Which car manufacturer produces the Mustang? Have infinite money or have infinite happiness? Answer A, Ford. What does SUV stand for in the automotive industry? Answer B, sports utility vehicle. Which brand owns the luxury division Lexus? Have you ever wondered?
And all this, you can generate all of this. So when you pay a subscription of $26, you're going to get about 5,000 credits. I've already used out of this to create those videos I talked about for my clients. So this is just this. So for the quiz videos, I'm going to show you how to go about it, how it works. This is like a walkthrough video on how to use this vsub.io. If you're interested in starting with this, there'll be a link in the description where you can start using this. And using this, you don't have to pay money up front. All you have to do is go on Fiverr, right? Create gigs. Like right now, you can create gigs on this brain teaser, fake text, AI videos, quiz, Reddit stories, split screen, would you rather. Create a gig on it, set your charges, right? So if like for $26, you're going to get 5,000 credits, and I think you use about 300 credits to create a video. From what I calculated, between 100 to 300 credits. So you can just calculate and kind of like see how you are going to package these videos, put them in a package, right? So let's just go with quiz videos. So for this, I'm going to go with standard, and this is how you do it. You can you can tell the chat to generate, you can tell the AI to generate questions for you, or you can add your questions. But here you can just put any topic. Let's talk about space. Let's talk about space. So yeah, let's just see what it's going to generate. So it does everything entirely for you. Like you can see, all the questions have been generated. See, the questions and the answers, the options and the answers, everything is in here already. Right, so after you're done with this, you click on continue. You click on continue and the AI does everything for you. I mean, this what would have taken me hours to do using the free method. I mean, with my Canva template. But when I discovered this tool, I paid for it instantly, because I have clients that always ask me for these quiz videos, and initially it always takes me time to do it with my Canva software. But with this AI tool, I just click and I'm just done. This is insane. This is like one of the best AI tools I've come across with, and this is one of those AI tools that I'm definitely going to pay for every month, because it saves me time. I mean, I think that's what they are selling right here, is the time they are saving, and the quality is top notch. I get 5-star reviews. What 5-star review is? I mean, it's very important. So let's just give it time to generate the video. So now we have a video that is completely generated with AI, and you can see how the video is, has questions and everything. A complete full video done with AI. The video is about 1 minute 20 seconds, and everything is in there. The images, everything can still be adjusted. If you need something there, if you need a different image at the background, you can always change it here. You can upload yours, or look for an image URL and put it right there, and just everything is customizable. You can change the audio, everything, the settings. Usually for the audio is the Adam's voice that is used in this audio. You can also edit that and change it also. You can add some background music, some copyright, make sure it's copyright free background music and all that. Everything is adjustable right here. So this is how, this is the voice. You can, increase the pitch, decrease the pitch, and all that. This is just for the quiz video. When you are done with that, you easily just download it in the standard format. So, and that's just it. And I think you can do this. It will just take some time to render it, and the video is available for you to download. So with this kind of video, you can have your own niche. You can just create a TikTok account. The TikTok has to be either in one of those countries approved for TikTok monetization: US, UK, Canada, I think Brazil, and some other countries. I'm not too sure. So these are one of the niche you can actually start using to create content for your TikTok, and you'll get monetized, and you start getting views. For the US and UK, those top tier countries, I think they pay you $1 for every 1,000 views. So a full video generated. So maybe in my next video, if you're interested, I can show you how to also do the fake text message video, or the would you rather videos. These are everything that you can also do with this. Is just a complete AI package that you can use to create different niche for different target audience. So what you do right now is create gigs, right? Creating a Fiverr account is free. Create these gigs, put them up on your Fiverr, on your Fiverr, and you just show that these are things you can do. Once someone messages you, all you have to do is come here, message you, and is interested. They make payments, right? Make sure you charge slightly higher than at least in a range where you'll be making profits. So you can maybe do a package of 5 videos or 10 videos, right? Put a reasonable charge. Look at what other people are charging on Fiverr put that up there. When someone orders for your package, right, you come here and simply make purchase on this website, vsub.io. So that's all for this video. If you really liked it or it was educational and you gained something, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me a lot. It's a small click for you and it's really supportive for me, so I really appreciate that. So if you are interested in me doing videos for the other niche, just let me know in the comments and I'm going to do that in my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.